spice Dhamal, where we do fun recipes that you can try at home. And what we got for you today, it's an amazing recipe, is there across all restaurant menus. I have done a diet version of it few days back. Today we will do the original, my version of it, and the name of the recipe is Chicken Lollipop. So Chicken Lollipop ये डिश है जो सभी लोग पसंद करते हैं, बच्चे हो बड़े हो सबको मजा आता है इसमें. Everybody has their own recipe. This is my version. But before I start the recipe, make sure you subscribe to the channel for a wonderful recipes and like it, share it, and make sure you try these recipes at home. So for this recipe, what you need is around 500 gram of chicken lollipop. So you can ask your butcher to cut it, or in description box I have given a video. In my earlier video I have shown how to make this cut from the chicken wings, so you can look at that as well. And to this wings you need to clean them well and dry it. What we got here is around 2 to 3 tablespoons of red chili ginger garlic paste. Now you have to soak your red chilies, preferably Kashmiri red chilies, and then grind them along with ginger and garlic. You can remove the seeds. Some vinegar, you can use white vinegar or apple cider vinegar, any vinegar you like, around 2 tablespoons. Some mixed herbs, some soya sauce, black pepper powder and salt. So first step is to marinate this and keep it for around minimum 30 minutes, or you can keep it overnight as well for better flavor and color. Salt as per taste. A teaspoon of black pepper powder. Tablespoon of mixed herbs. They give a nice herby flavor to your lollipop. Soya sauce and vinegar. So red chili powder hai. Let's give it a good mix. Not a red chili powder. This is a red chili paste. So हमने red chili paste बनाया है, और जिसको अदरक और लहसुन के साथ में उसको अच्छे से पेस्ट बना के लिया है, जो साबुत रेड चिली होती है उनका. See how nice color is coming. We want that nice bright red color. So our chicken is marinated and we have kept it aside for around 30 minutes. While it is marinating, let us make a nice quick Schezwan sauce. For the Schezwan sauce, we are using the same chili ginger garlic paste which we have made. We have got some tomato ketchup, some soya sauce, white vinegar, some chopped garlic, salt and some sugar. And we have put some oil for heating. So let's start making it. So pan is hot and we have taken around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Let's add our garlic to it. So saute your garlic lightly. You don't have to give color to it. It has to just cook lightly. Now it's time to add the chili and ginger garlic paste. And we have to cook it lightly. That will give a nice red color to the sauce. So you have to cook till the raw flavor of ginger goes off. I think we are almost done now. It takes around 2 to 3 minutes. Let's add some salt as per taste. And then we will add the vinegar, soya sauce and mix lightly. Now it's time to add the tomato ketchup. And the sugar. Now you need to let this mixture cook for around 5 to 6 minutes till the oil comes out. So a fantastic homemade Schezwan sauce is ready. You can just switch off the flame and let it cool down completely. Then you can put it in airtight container and we will be serving along with our lollipops. Now it's time to make the batter for the chicken lollipop. So what we are going to do is the marinated lollipop, we will dip them in this batter and then we will fry till they are crispy. For that we need 1 cup of maida or refined flour and a half a cup of corn flour, around a spoon or a 2 teaspoon of red chili powder and little salt. So let's start by adding the maida, the corn flour, salt as per taste, and the red chili powder. Now we will add water little by little and make it into a thick batter. Just use a whisk to make a thick batter out of this. So the batter has to be this consistency, and you can rest it for around 6 to 7 minutes. By the time the oil will be hot, and then we will fry our lollipops. So oil needs to be on a medium-high flame, and now let us dip our marinated chicken lollipop nicely in the batter. Once they are coated well, we are just going to swirl the oil little bit and leave them in the oil. Let's add one more. So lollipops are cooked for around 5 minutes, and as you can see, they are nice and crispy, and it's time to take them out one by one. So beautiful chicken lollipop along with homemade Schezwan sauce is absolutely ready. They are nice, crispy and tempting. And my smile on my face can tell you they are looking tempting and absolutely delicious. But before I taste it and tell you how is it, don't forget to subscribe the channel, share it with your family, friends, comment and let us know how do you like this recipe or which other recipes you will like to see on the channel. And let us taste it and see how is our chicken lollipop now. So which one I choose? I take a big one, nice crispy one. You can see, nice. And let's dip into that spicy Schezwan sauce. Super delicious, absolutely crispy. Till we meet again with absolutely delicious recipes like this, stay happy, stay healthy and enjoy cooking.